Hey guys, my name is Kodak, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how you could add reactions to any Discord message you want on Discord using Python and requests. Now the first thing you need to do is import the request library as well as the emoji library, and you can install this by just typing pip install emoji. The next step is to define a new function. I'm going to call this function add reaction, and it's going to take one parameter called emoji, and then we want to define some headers to be sent with our request. And in the headers we want authorization as well as our Discord token, and then we want to make a new request object, and we're going to use the put method for this. So I'm going to type request.put, and then of course we need the URL, the Discord message, which you can see on the screen right now, and we want to replace the text with the emoji parameter that we pass in, and of course then we want to use the headers as well. So we're going to type headers equals headers, and that's basically all for the function. Now the next step is to simply call the function by typing add reaction, and inside we want to emojize the thumbs up emoji. So you want to type this on the screen, and once this is all done we can try this out by just clicking on the run button in Visual Studio Code, and you will see that the reaction was indeed added successfully. And that's all I want to show you guys in this video. If you enjoyed this video and this new video format, then please leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.